Review sheet L question 3, and we're going to start off writing 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 sine 2 theta in the form r cos 2 theta plus alpha. Let's expand this using the formula from the formula book. So cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So making A 2 theta and B alpha, we get that. Then we need to compare again. So comparing this side, the cos 2 thetas are the same. So if these two expressions are equivalent, 4 has got to be the same as r cos alpha. Gives us that one. And same thing, there would be an r there if I expanded out. So I'd have sine 2 thetas are the same. And then r sine alpha has got to be 3. To work out what alpha is, if I do the sine value of 3 divided by the r cos theta, which equals 4, the r's will cancel out. Sorry, alpha's just 4. R's cancel out, sine over cos makes tan alpha. So tan alpha is 3/4, and we're in degrees this time. Tan to the minus 1 of 3/4 is 36.9. And to get r, again, we want to square them, add them up in square root. So 3 squared plus 4 squared gives us r squared, so it's 345 triple, so r is 5. And substituting back into the rule, we've got r was 5, cos, and then 2 theta we've got plus alpha was 36.9. Okay, part B, when we want to solve the equation, you may very conveniently notice that this stuff is the same as this stuff. So instead of 4 cos 2 theta minus 3 sine 2 theta, I could instead substitute in the answer for part A. So we would have 5 cos 2 theta plus 36.9 equals 1. We want to solve that, divide by 5. We want to do cos minus 1. So cos minus 1 of a fifth is 78.5. I also want to find the other values in the range. So for cos, the rule is you have your answer, which was 78.5. Do 360 minus your answer, which gives you to 81.5, and then once you have the original pair, you can keep adding 360s on. So it's 438.5 and 641.5. The reason why I've gone up so far is that because I've got a 2 theta, in a minute I'm going to half all my answers, which means if my answers were as big as 720 at the moment, when I half them they'll be back in the range up to 360. So I've added 360 to both of these to get another pair. Okay, then subtracting 36.9 from them all, divide all of them by 2, and that's my 4 final answers.